The
All we know.
is doing better. Really, basically the story behind this song is like, it's really like taking a hustle from the street to the studio. It's like conversion, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like taking, for instance, I sell drugs in the street. Did it like part of my life. Now, I'm doing better. I don't have to sell them no more. I'm in the studio, rapping, selling songs, selling CDs, all that shit. It's a BNF beat. My man, the CEO made this. Son, shout out to Son. Shout out to BNF King once again.
Like all we know.
Yeah, like, my clique doing better, get it in any weather, you know what I'm saying? Like, we ain't got to trap no more. We ain't got to trap, now we rap. I told you, in the previous song, I told you, I'm going to take over the trap, and now I'm trying to take over rap. I'm doing it. And there's no stopping me. Like, hopefully soon, working on these songs, get this collabo mixtape coming. You know, look out for it. BNF doing it real big. From New York, from DC, from Florida, straight to Tennessee. Like, BNF, back and forth. You know what I'm saying? That's why I got the OTD tag on my out of town boy. Like, it's really like, it's just something serious. Like, that's all I gotta say.
Like all we know.
Like I said, this video coming soon. Young Mizzle coming soon. Son coming soon. T.O. coming soon. And the whole BNF family coming soon. Like, Young Mizzle, baby. That's all I have to say. I'm gonna hop off here and give me something to eat. Rack of rhymes. And I'm out. Holla at your boy. Signing out.